Hello children, we are doing class 11 mathematics chapter 3 trigonometric functions important extra question 3. So we will prove that sin 10, sin 50, sin 60, sin 70 equal to root 3 by 60. We want to prove. Now we will take the LHS part of the question. LHS part. LHS part is sin 10, sin 50, sin 60 and sin 70. Sin 60's value you know. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So we will write sin 60 first. And again, here out of sin 10 and sin 50 is bigger. I'll write that one inside the bracket first. Sin 10 second and sin 70 outside. Now sin 60's value you know root 3 by 2. And since we want to apply the product rule, is once more I'll write. So it will be sin 50 and sin 10 into sin 70. We'll multiply numerator and denominator by 2. We'll multiply numerator and denominator by 2. It will become root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. I'll multiply outside denominator with 2. Inside I'll take 2 because I multiplied numerator and denominator with 2. 2 sin 50 sin 10. 2 sin 50 sin 10 into sin 70. Now it is of the form 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B is 2 sin A sin B. So it will be, separately we will write the formula. 2 sin A sin B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This one what is A? A is 50. How much is B? B is 10 degree. B is 10. I will write the value. Now here, root 3 into 1 is root 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Into cos A minus B. This is cos 50 minus 10. Minus cos A plus B. Cos 50 plus 10. Into sin 70. Into sin 70. Now it will be root 3 by 4 into, so it will be equal to root 3 by 4 into cos 40 minus cos 60, cos 50 plus 10, that will be 60. Again sin 70. But we know cos 60's value. Cos 60 is half. So it will be equal to root 3 by 4 into cos 40 minus half into sin 70. Now you open the bracket. So root 3 by 4 into cos 30 sin 70. I'll write sin 70 first and cos 40 second. Bigger angle first, smaller angle second. Minus, again we are multiplying root 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into sin 70. Now it will be equal to, now you multiply again, it will be root 3 by 4. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Numerator and denominator by 2. When you multiply numerator and denominator by 2, it will be root 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 2 sin 70 cos 40, 2 sin 70 cos 40, again minus root 3 by 8 or 2s are 8 into sin 70. Now again it is of the form 2 sin A cos B. So 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B. Sin is first, cos is second. So you can remember sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. It will be. So A will be 70. B will be 40. Now it will be root 3 into 1 is root 3. By 4 into 2 is 8. Into 2 sin A cos B, that is sin A plus B. It is sin 70 plus 40 plus sin 70 minus 40. Again minus root 3 by 8 into sin 70. Now here 70 plus 40 will be 110. So root 3 by 8 into sin 110 plus sin 30 into, now minus root 3 by 8 into sin 70. Sin 30's value is half. Sin 30 is half. So it will be equal to root 3 by 8 into sin 110. I'll write once more. Sin 110 plus root 3 by 8 into sin 30's value is half minus root 3 by 8 into sin 70. Sin 30's value I'll write a little bit above. Now here it will become root 3 by 8 into half. Half, some days there is a chance for confusion. So I'll write sin 30's value only. Sin 30's value is half. Later I'll write in the next step. So it will be root 3 by 8 into sin 110. Sin 30's value is half. You wrote minus root 3 by 8 into sin 70. Now we'll open the bracket. Root 3 by 8 into sin 110 plus root 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 8 into sin 70. So root 3 by 8, 8 2s are 16 it will be. So root 3 by 8 into sin 110. So I'll rub the right side. Root 3 by 8. So it will be root 3 by 8 into sin 110 plus root 3 by 8 2s are 16 minus root 3 by 8 root 3 by 8 into sin 70. Now actually root 3 by 16 we got. That means we should cancel either 110 or sin 70. So any one of them I'll change sin 70. So it will be equal to, that will be equal to, now you'll write root 3 by 8 I'll keep like that. Root 3 by 8 into sin 110 plus root 3 by 16 also I'll keep like that. Now here any one of them, either 110 you can change into 70 or 70 you can change into 110 minus root 3 by 8. I'll write sin 70 is sin 180 minus 110. 180 minus 110 will become sin 70. So it will become sin 110, sorry. So it will be root 3 by 8. We wrote root 3 by 8 sin 110 plus root 3 by 16, required answer already we got, minus root 3 by 8. Instead of 70 I wrote 180 minus 110. But we know that on sin 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin 180 minus theta will be plus sin theta. In the second quadrant, sin 180 minus theta will be plus sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant, so its answer will be sin theta. plus sin theta. So it will be sin 110 plus root 3 by 16 minus root 3 by 8, and theta here is 110, so into sin 110. Now plus root 3 by 8 sin 110 and minus root 3 by 8 sin 110 will be cancelled. When these two terms are cancelled, you will get the answer root 3 by 16, which is the required answer, that is the RHS. Now we'll go to the next question.